Mabuhay! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to unbox and fitting regarding to I purchase from Sun and Sun Sport. Ito po yung order. First batch order ko po sa Sun and Sun Sport. Siguro bukas darating yung second batch. Ito yung first batch. First batch, bubuksan po natin yung first batch na order ko sa Sun and Sun Sports. It's all about sports wear. Ayan po guys, natapos na po yung unboxing at fitting natin regarding doon sa order ko galing sa Sun and Sun Sport. Yun yan ang first batch na order ko. Siguro bukas darating yung second batch ko at yun na naman natin i-unboxing na naman natin at i-review. And guys, for those who are not yet subscribed again to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel So, updated po tayo sa mga videos na ina-upload ko po doon dito sa channel ko. And thank you very much for watching us my video. Maraming salamat po.